Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a signal light on a Jeep Patriot. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically a 3157 type. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now, open your Jeep Patriot's hood to gain access to the headlight assembly. You'll notice two Phillips head screws holding the entire assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it will slide out, giving you access to the bulbs. With the assembly out, locate the signal light bulb socket. It's typically a distinct orange color. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the headlight housing. Once the socket is free, gently pull the old bulb straight out. It's a simple push-in, pull-out design. Now, firmly insert your new 3157 bulb into the socket. To reassemble, push the bulb socket back into its opening in the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely in place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position on your Jeep Patriot. Make sure it aligns perfectly. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier to firmly secure the assembly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new signal light to ensure it's working correctly. Check the description for a link to great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.